Have you ever wondered why snow falls? Have you ever wondered how you go from this to this? Hi, I'm Mason. Today, let's talk about the science behind snow. Clouds are full of water vapor. If the cloud is cold enough, the vapor turns into ice crystals. The ice crystals stick together to form snowflakes, and they fall to the ground when they get heavy enough. The size of the snow depends on how many crystals stick together and the temperature. Snow that falls through cool, dry air is smaller. That's called dry snow. Snow that falls through warm air melts some and sticks together. That makes heavy flakes in wet snow. Wet snow sticks together to make a great snowman. And it all makes it a great snow day. Please subscribe for more videos.